In today's test for the MQX, if we're going to see if we were in a car, could we still control the MQX? It's very windy out here today, and I'm getting in the car. So I got the camera centered. I'm going to shut the car door. Got everything set up. So here we go. Okay, I'm controlling it from inside the car. Take it out a bit. Okay, I crashed. I lost my orientation, but no problem with the MQX. It fell into the bushes, so we'll just go get it. It was a little nerving doing that. There it is, and these bushes make a good cushion for practicing on, because when I fall into them, no damage. Okay, we're going to go back here. Huh? Yeah. Oh, I didn't know you was up there. Oh. Alright, we're gonna go for another flight. Okay, back in the car again. This time I'm gonna cut the timer on too. Alright, take off. Straighten the tail up. Now, my next one is, could somebody be driving me while I'm flying somewhere? That would be a trip. Kind of windy. Oh, you know what? I'm talking to myself, ain't I? I forgot about where to land at. I got nowhere to land. I guess one of the important things when you're doing this type of experiment is to make sure you got somewhere to land. Now, I can't land back on the hood, or can I? I can't see the hood. Okay, bringing it close as I can I'm gonna try for the hood. Got it. Oh, Mqx is too bad. I couldn't see the top of the hood, but I was able to land it back. Okay, cutting the radio off. Hope I got this video.